The J-35 is nicknamed the Blue Shark. It is a new generation of stealth multi-purpose carrier-based fighter independently developed by our country. Integrated design of pneumatic structure and stealth. Stealth performance breaks through the limitations of traditional radar bands. Fusion radar. Infrared electromagnetic further education. The comprehensive stealth ability of vision and electromagnetism against 6 dimensions. Its fuselage adopts omnidirectional edge optimization design and nanoscale tin wave layer. Radar reflector joint area as low as 0.001 square meters. Only 1/5 of the F-35C, unique jagged hatch seams and built-in weapon bay design. Maintains electromagnetic vanes even when maneuvering under high pressure. Equipped with turbofan 19 engine and existing turbofan 1.30 billion dual-engine configuration. Provides a total of 18 tons of thrust. Supports Mach 2.2, 2717K supersonic cruise. Reduce fuel consumption during sub-factor cruising. Range increased by 30%, achieving a dynamic balance between speed and efficiency. It can take off and land on the Liaoning and Shandong ships. It only takes 165 meters to take off with a full load of 22 tons. A combat radius of 1,200 kilometers. The Fujian ship's electromagnetic catapult system increases its maximum takeoff weight to 35 tons. Can mount 12 Parak 150 billion long-range air-to-air missiles or 4 common 20 anti-ship missiles. Equipped with 𝗙𝗲𝗁 fated phase-controlled seismic radar. Detection distance 400 kilometers. Can track 30 targets simultaneously and guide attacks on 6 of them. Anti-jamming capability is 3 times that of the F-35C. 360-degree infrared monitoring without dead angle. With quantum communication data link. Real-time information fusion of unmanned wingman. Built-in bomb bay can carry 4 1.50 billion long-range missile clips. 2 Thunderbolt 101 grenades. Support anti-radiation missiles. Hypersonic weapons and electronic warfare pods. The laser defense system interface is reserved on the back of the fuselage. Can intercept incoming missiles. The pushpin and one-load combination of the J-35 are better than those of the F-35C. Equipped with an electronic countermeasure system that emulates enemy radar signals and decoys missiles, and implement directional blocking jamming on the APD-81 radar of the F-35. J-35 can command drone swarms to carry out swarm attacks, or guide 055 to launch YJ-21 anti-ship ballistic missiles. Air Police 600. Early warning aircraft. Attack 11 drones to form a stealth iron triangle. Achieve precision strikes against aircraft carrier formations outside the defense zone at a distance of 500 kilometers. The J-35 is not only a master of technology. When the Fujian ship's electromagnetic catapult pushed the J-35 into the sky, the chess game of global naval and air power has been reshuffled. The new era of Chinese carrier aviation is roaring at Mach 3.